In the world of real estate, one key question often poses itself to prospective buyers. Is the property overpriced? Knowing if a property is reasonably valued is crucial to making a prudent investment decision. Today, we'll explore a simple yet effective approach known as the 5-minute rule to determine if a property is overpriced. Let's begin with what the 5-minute rule actually means. This method involves a quick comparative analysis that can be accomplished in just 5 minutes. It allows you to assess a property's price by comparing it to similar properties when their main features are considered. In essence, it's a brief snapshot that can save you from potentially costly mistakes. Now, how do you actually apply this rule? First, identify your target property and note its key characteristics: the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and location. Next, search for at least 3 comparable properties within the same neighborhood. A useful tool here could be real estate listing websites, which often allow you to filter properties based on similar attributes and location radius. Once you have your comparables, examine their prices. Calculate an average listing price per square foot for these properties. Then, multiply that average price by the square footage of your target property. This will give you a baseline figure. If the asking price of your desired property significantly exceeds this baseline, you may be looking at an overpriced listing. However, there are other factors to ensure a more comprehensive analysis. Be sure to consider the demand and supply of properties in the area. If you're in a seller's market, characterized by high demand and limited supply, prices often surge. Conversely, in a buyer's market, prices may soften. External factors like upcoming infrastructure projects or changes in zoning laws can also affect property value. It's important to have a deep understanding of the housing market in your desired area before making an investment. Consider seeking guidance from real estate professionals who have intimate knowledge of local trends. They can often provide insights beyond what numbers convey, pointing out neighborhood characteristics or unique property features that could influence price. In conclusion, while the 5-minute rule is a quick gauge, it's critical to look beyond it for a holistic view. Look carefully at market trends, consult professionals, and conduct thorough research before making a commitment. Real estate is a substantial investment, and ensuring you're paying a fair price will pave the way for sound financial health. Remember, patience and due diligence are your allies in the property market.